Josh, thank you so much for everything. Can't imagine QP without you. Huwag mo masyadong galingan dyan. See you around.
Hi, Josh. All I can say is that QP will be dull without you for sure.
Hi Josh, I wanted to express my gratitude to work with you and thank you so much for being part of my journey here at GameStop.
Hi Josh, thank you for all of the support and the full engagement that you've given us. See you around. Take care.
Hi Josh, thank you for all the things that you've done to us. This is your SiriusXM inbound sales family. We will miss you.
Hi Josh, maraming salamat sa mga hirap at pagod mo sa pagpapasaya sa mga events natin sa Q Plaza, and continue what you do best, and you're the best EE, and I'll see you around. Josh, take care.
Hi Josh, this is OM Shala. I just wanted to express my deepest gratitude for all the dedication that you've shown to us. We really appreciate your help and effort.
Hi Josh, thank you so much for your unending support and assistance, especially for us, Q Plaza Artist Guild. Thank you so much. See you around.
Hi Josh, I just wanted to say a big thank you for everything you brought to the team, your positivity and the hard work you did for Q Plaza. It's been a real pleasure working with you.
Hi, Joshi! First of all, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na ginawa mo para sa Q Plaza. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng effort, sa pag-iisip ng mga engagement activities, and for openly, collaborating with the support personnel here just to make sure na kung ano man yung gagawin natin para sa ikakasaya ng lahat sa site. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sa lahat ng tulong mo, lalong-lalo na sa messaging. Alam mo yan. So, good luck sa future endeavors mo. Mamimiss ka namin dito sa Q Plaza, but always know that you have a family here. So, no goodbyes, Josh. Just see you around.
Hi Josh, thank you for everything that you've done for Q Plaza. While it's sad to see that you're leaving the site, I'm very happy for the new opportunities, new journey that you'll be having with Silver City. Again, thank you for everything, and we will surely miss you, Josh.
Joshi! Hi! Josh, thank you so much for everything that you've done, all the help that you've given me, my team, and especially Outbound Sales. All of our fun and cutie activities will not be possible if not without your help. Sabi nga nila, di ba? No goodbyes, just see you around. Good luck on your future endeavors at sana maging successful ka palalo. Thank you, Josh, for always being kind to us, for always being there to help, willingness to help us at all times. Thank you again, Josh, for everything. See you around.
Hi Josh, thank you for everything you've done, especially for healthcare. Alam naman natin na you are a big part of our success. Every journey that we had, you're included. So thank you for all the help and for everything you've done for me and for my managers and for my team. And with that,
we wish you all the best on your next journey. See you around.
Hi Josh, thank you so much.
Hi Josh, thank you so much. See you around. Hi Josh, thank you so much for all the love and support for messaging. See you around.
Para sa sobrang Latina, sobrang sexy, at sobrang hardworking na EE ng Q Plaza. Thank you!